Hindi ba nag-overheat yung MacBook nyo? Hey guys, comment about our setup. And good question yan. So, story time tayo guys. This has been my setup for around 3 years na. Nag-update lang tayo ng table, layout, pero yung main components such as laptop, yan pa rin yan guys for 3 years na. So, itong laptop natin guys, this is the MacBook Air M2. And around 3 years na yan guys, MacBook tapos may connected na external monitor. And so far so good guys, hindi pa yan nag-overheat. Around at least 9 hours per day yan nakabukas. Siyempre on weekdays during work. Ayan. Nagpalit na tayo ng different monitors pero yung laptop yan pa rin yan guys. So sa personal experience ko na rin guys, so if you have the budget, if you have the savings, go for a MacBook Air na. M2, pwede pa rin this 2025. Yan pa rin yung gamit ko and no plans of changing so far. Okay pa rin siya. Pero a factor lang to consider, syempre it depends on your work kung kaya na ba ng MacBook Air M2. Personally, hindi naman creatives yung work ko. For example, graphic designing, heavy video editing, hindi naman. So, kaya naman. For video editing, sometimes ginagamit ko to for content dito, for example, sa TikTok. Pero for work talaga as a video editor, hindi naman. So, try mo rin. Why not? MacBook Air M2.